carrier. There is no flag on the play. Bulldogs 6, Mustangs 0. And the extra point is good by Jeff Judy. With 7:28 remaining in the first quarter, the score is Northville 0, Brighton 7. Season's contest, we'll try to keep you updated on some other athletic results in the Brighton area schools. Both the boys and girls varsity cross-country teams were victorious this week over Novi. The Brighton girls are the defending Class A state champions. Number 24, Lamar, the ball carrier. Tackle made by number 41, Tim Millens. A gain of 4 on the play. Brings up a second down, 2nd and 6, ball on the Bulldogs, 39. Number 24, Lamar, the ball carrier. Tackle made by number 46, Hartman. Gain of 2 on the play. Brings up a 3rd down, 3rd and 3. Ball on the Bulldogs, 42. Julie Crayer, Chris Nibby, Monique Molash, Doreen Petrosella, Molly Radigan, Shelley Ruff, Terry Chubnell, Margaret Strick, Cindy Warner, and Tammy Wright. The 84 varsity cheerleaders are coached this year by Scott Thomas. Pass is complete to number 42, Norton. Tackle made by number 66, Jude. The 1st down for the Mustangs. Ball on the Bulldogs, 21. The ball carrier, brought down by number 60, Pete Bradley, and number 36, Rich Frank. A loss of 10 on the play brings up a 3rd down, 3rd and 20. Ball on the right 30-yard line. 1st down Bulldogs, ball on the Brighton 20-yard line. We have a flag on the play. We have have a encroachment penalty against the Mustang. 5-yard penalty. Still first down. Ball on the Bulldog 25.
Please hold 18,000.
First down, Northville. Ball on the Mustang 41.
Last time he came on.